All right, we have a giant bug-like guest this morning. And no, those aren't prison bars. Those are a specially designed system to keep
Ew. Here. Stop it here.
pigeons away. This is the end of my pen. This is a bug. It's pretty harmless looking, really. I have no idea what it is. It's got kind of a cute face,
Ew.
and he is not a cockroach, so there will be no war against this creature this morning.
Look at those antennas. Ew.
But he's a pretty serious looking bug, all the same.
Ew.
Oh, there he is. So I can get the backside of him. He's found a pleasant little perch here. Actually, I'm surprised some bird hasn't come along and
It's too big. There were two
eaten him.
birds sitting beside him. They're about the same size.
That's our excitement so far today.